Let's take a look at a protective case for your Samsung Galaxy A54. Now looking at this package is from Poetic. This is a nice Poetic packaging, basically similar to what we've seen before. You got a bunch of P's put together for Poetic. This is their neon case for the Samsung Galaxy A54. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have inside. And very nice packaging, very protective. Remove this, bam. Now this is a two-piece case. As you can see, you do have a hard plastic shell on the outside along with that bright orange outline around the outer edge of the case. Poetic branding there at the bottom, soft TPU on the inside, military drop tested for great protection, and you do have neon branding there. Let's go ahead and grab the Galaxy A54, and voila, it fits absolutely perfect in there. Look at that, boom. The cutout there for the back of the cameras is nice and precise. Plenty of lip around the camera, so you are protected. If you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, it's not gonna get damaged. 100% covered buttons on the right side. The buttons are nice and tactile, very responsive. On the bottom of the case, you do have your cutouts all there, nice and precise. You have your mic, charging port, and your speaker. Plenty of room around that charging port there. If you want to go ahead and plug in a third-party charging cable, you absolutely can. And on the left side of the case, you got absolutely nothing but this nice grip pattern for extra grip. On top of the case, you do have your cutout for your mic there, nice and precise. You do have plenty of lip protection there around the front of this A54, so you are protected. If you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, you're not gonna scratch that beautiful display on the Galaxy A54. Now this is also tempered glass screen protector friendly. I do not currently have a screen protector currently installed, but there you have it, guys. It does add a little bit of bulk, a little bit of weight to your A54, but if you're looking for a protective case, trying to keep it as slim as possible, the Poetic Neon is going to be there for you. Link will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick this up for yourself. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.